Hey, good morning everyone. Biddy here. Woo. Oh well, on the last video, I was camping out here on a beautiful spot, and on this video, that will be a lot of fishing in the wild. I know there is not a lot of people who go where I'm going today, because the only way to get there is by, canoe or boat, and after you have to walk up the river. Feels so privileged here to be here and to do this. Thanks God. Small but beautiful. Look at the colors. Wow. Hey, this is great. Woo! I love, like the color underneath. They're so good with the red dots. Ah, man, it's great fishing here. Wow. It will be a pretty good meal. Very happy. Very, very happy. Still, it took me about close to an hour to get one. There is some good spot, but not too much. But still, it's great to be in the wild. Wow, woohoo! Not one, but two waterfalls. Yeah, it's starting to rain a bit. I'm just gonna rest here, maybe for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I thought that would have been, better for fishing here. Not a bite. Nothing. I spent about an hour fishing here. Nothing. Crazy. There is not too much water, just below the waterfall. Anyway, that one over there, I went to look at that one. The other one, I will need bigger boots. I really don't want to wet my legs and to get into the water because I'm so remote and it's still a bit chilly. I don't want to get cold. So yeah, all right. Maybe I'm gonna take a nap. I feel for a nap. Oh, that was an early morning. Oh yeah. Gonna rain for a long time. It wasn't supposed to rain today. Well, weather network, eh? So that will be very quick. I'll be very, very quick because it's raining more and more. I will go on the other side because there is no place here to camp. It's mostly rock. and there's not enough wood, I don't like this place. But on the other side of the lake, well, very close, on the other side of the inlet here, there is a place, and it looks like there is wood. So I'm gonna build a shelter like very fast. So I won't be able to film, okay? Next time you'll see me when the camp will be done, okay? Because, you know, taking the camera out all the time with this rain, it's very difficult. So, all right. Oh man, it's raining crazy. Good for fishing though. But yeah. Hey, by the way, I got another one on the way down, on the way back. I've got enough trout right now for my supper, so I won't be fishing no more today. Okay. Yep, I'm soaking wet. Lucky I've got wool, so it's not that bad. But can't wait to make a fire, can't wait to build a fire and just to make my little home. And it's getting more and more crazy. All right. Quick break from the rain. It's supposed to rain also tonight. Ooh. So that's a lot of rain. I'm just gonna enjoy a bit myself here. Got my tea, and now after I will go back home. And actually, I will eat the trout with my family that live about half an hour from here. So they will enjoy, and we will just have a great meal all together. Hey. Thanks a lot for watching, and I would like to thank also my sponsor, Cabela's Bass Pro. Everything you need for fishing. And see you next time for another video in the woods. Live your passion, live the adventure.